People are fed up. They're running to bordering cities who have clean water to just bathe. I honestly don't even want to bathe my baby in Jackson's water.
It's sad, and I can't even afford to move out of Jackson, so I have to stay here and deal with this.
This has been an issue for me since I came down here to Tougaloo College in 1991. I was always told not to drink that water.
Wow. More than 150,000 residents in Jackson, Mississippi do not have safe drinking water this morning. The city remains under a state of emergency. Now, as we've reported this week, heavy rains led to major flooding in Jackson. That caused pumps at local water treatment plants to fail. Officials say there's not enough water pressure to fight fires, flush toilets, or meet other critical needs. The city already had a boil water notice in effect for over a month, making it now even more difficult for people to cook, bathe, and brush their teeth. Hundreds of Mississippi's National Guardsmen have been deployed into the community, handing out bottled water and hand sanitizer. And the head of FEMA, Deanne Criswell, has been on the ground there as well. Right now, the situation is dire in Jackson, but the city's mayor says reliable water service is still days away. NBC's Bracey Harris is in Jackson, Mississippi, reporting on the crisis. Bracey, good morning to you. This situation is making national headlines since the governor called for a state of emergency. But Mississippi was supposed to receive more than $400 million over the next 5 years in Biden's infrastructure deal that was made last year. And yet we are in this situation today. What went wrong?
Well, good morning, Allie. Jackson residents have been bracing for something like this. Boil water notices, water outages have just been a routine occurrence here. So there was a lot of excitement about the bipartisan infrastructure deal that passed last year. Mississippi is a poor state with a lot of infrastructure problems. The problem is, Allie, though, is that there's red tape. It takes time for that money to get out of the door. Cities and counties have to come up with plans, and they have to give those plans to state agencies that will push out the funds. Again, all of that has time. All of that takes time that Jackson really doesn't have right now. And even then, it's unclear if Jackson's share would be enough to fix all of this. Jackson's mayor, Chokwe Lumumba, has said that it could cost billions of dollars to resolve the city's water problems. We don't have a final price tag yet on how much it would cost to repair the water treatment plant that's at the root cause of this outage. But what we do know is that it's unlikely that Jackson's portion will be enough to resolve its problems long term. Allie?
Bracey, thank you for that.